Okay, so this is the repeated addition flap up that's going to go in your math journal. Now we've started in our journals a multiplication section, so this needs to go in that section. What you will do is you'll just get one of these papers and you're going to cut around the outside, and then just like we've done before with our flap ups, all you're going to do is cut right on this line and then stop when you get to this line right here. So cut, stop, cut, stop. And then of course this is the part that'll get glued in, just like all of our other flap ups we've done. It'll look like this when you're done. So I've glued this part right here, and then these can flap up. And what you're going to do is, because this is our repeated addition flap up, you are going to look at each picture and write the repeated addition sentence and the multiplication sentence that would go with both. Now, when I say sentence, I don't mean a sentence with a capital letter and nouns and verbs and a period at the end. I mean a number sentence, so it's going to have numbers. It'll have our multiplication sign and an equal sign in it. So I'm going to look at my picture. I see that there are 3 jars, and each jar has 3 little buggies in it. So my repeated addition sentence would be 1 jar of 3 plus another jar of 3 plus another jar of 3 equals 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Now my multiplication sentence for that would just be 3 times 3 equals 9. If you would like to challenge yourself, I would like for you to write a word problem that would go along with this picture. So all I would do is say, I'm going to have to write kind of small since there's not a ton of room, but I could say, I caught 3 fireflies in 3 jars last night. How many fireflies did, I'm gonna run out of room, I catch? So it's okay that it's hanging off a little bit. But then you would do that for each of these. This, of course, is a bicycle with 2 wheels. So 2 wheels on each bicycle. And then this, you could do, I guess, the petals on each flower. How many petals are on each flower? And then how many eyes are on each monster. Or I guess you could do how many feet are on each monster. It's kind of up to you what you see in the picture, as long as you write down your repeated addition sentence and your multiplication sentence.